today we are planning for an adventure. Tapi sebenarnya nak piknik je, tak buat adventure pun. But the weather is not on our favour because it is raining as you can see. But tadi kita punya forecast kata dia thunderstorm. Lepas tu dia cloudy saja. So kita try macam mana. Okay. Daripada jalan besar, daripada Kuching ambil kanan ada lorong kecil, and after that there's a parking space lah. Besar lah, I think boleh muat 10 kereta macam tu sebelum ke tempat sungai dekat sini. Okay, malangnya banyak gila sampah. Alright, everyone please be a responsible guest yang datang. Kita datang dan bawa balik hanya kenangan, dan sampah pun kena bawa balik sekali, jangan tinggal kat sini. Just a short trail, lepas tu ada tangga untuk turun bawah, and you need to cross the river here. Right, so crossing the river here sebelum sampai ke tempat piknik. Hello. Ciao. So this is Teng Bukap kat situ. So you can see this green coloured river, emerald colour. So kenapa dia green? Actually because it's like deeper there, dalam. You actually there's a point macam dekat sini ke atas situ. You can like actually jump from there and like masuk ke dalam sungai tu lah. Okay, so the journey took us around 1 hour plus from Kuching to here. And it's a nice place to have picnic here lah. Dia tak perlu hiking, just parking, turun tangga, dan kita hike here. Dan picnic. How deep is it?
This is honey berdiri.